What if you could go from zero experience to professional level skills using only free online courses? No expensive tuition, no fancy degrees, just the internet and the right strategy. Thousands of people are doing it, learning in-demand skills from scratch and landing real jobs. In this video, I'll show you how to map your learning journey, pick the best free courses, and actually become a pro, all without spending a single dollar. Pick your path. First things first, choose what you want to learn. Don't try to learn everything at once because that's how people burn out and quit. Pick one skill that excites you or can help your career. Whether it's coding, design, marketing, or data science, just commit to one path. The beauty of free courses is you can always come back later. But for now, focus on one thing and go deep. Think about what job you want or what problem you want to solve. Then choose the skill that gets you there. Make it specific. Instead of saying you want to learn programming, say you want to learn Python for data analysis or JavaScript for web development. Find the right free platforms. Now, let's talk about where to actually learn. There are amazing free platforms out there that rival paid courses. For programming, FreeCodeCamp and the Odin Project are absolute gold. They give you structured curriculums that take you from zero to job ready. For academic subjects, MIT OpenCourseWare and Harvard CS50 offer university-level education completely free. Coursera and edX also have free audit options where you can access all the course materials without paying for the certificate. YouTube is also incredible if you know where to look. Channels like Traversy Media for coding, The Future for design, and HubSpot for marketing provide professional-level training. Khan Academy covers everything from math to economics. The key is to stick with well-known platforms that have good reviews and structured learning paths. Don't just randomly jump between YouTube videos. Follow a proper curriculum. Create a learning schedule. Here's where most people fail. They get excited, sign up for courses, and then life gets in the way. You need a solid schedule. Treat your learning like a real commitment. Block out specific times in your calendar and protect that time. Even if it's just 30 minutes a day, consistency beats intensity. Morning works best for most people when your brain is fresh, but find what works for you. The important thing is showing up every single day. Set realistic goals too. Don't say you'll study 5 hours a day when you know that's not sustainable. Start with 1 hour and build from there. Use the Pomodoro technique, where you study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps you focused and prevents burnout. Track your progress in a simple spreadsheet or journal. Write down what you learned each day and what you'll tackle tomorrow. Practice with real projects. Watching tutorials is easy. Actually building things is where the real learning happens. After you finish a lesson, immediately apply what you learned by creating something. If you're learning web development, build actual websites. Start with simple projects like a personal portfolio or a to-do list app. Then gradually increase the difficulty. Copy existing websites to understand how they work. For design, recreate logos and posters you see online. For writing or marketing, start a blog or manage social media for a local business. The projects don't need to be original or perfect. They just need to exist. Put everything on GitHub if you're coding, or create a portfolio website to showcase your work. These projects become proof of your skills when you're job hunting. Employers care way more about what you can build than what courses you completed. Join communities and find accountability. Learning alone is tough. You need people who understand what you're going through. Join online communities related to your skill. Reddit has subreddits for everything. Discord servers are great for real-time help. FreeCodeCamp has a massive forum. Twitter and LinkedIn have active communities too. Follow people who are where you want to be. Find an accountability partner or study group. Share your goals publicly and update people on your progress. This social pressure helps you stay committed. Don't be afraid to ask questions when stuck. Everyone was a beginner once. The community wants to help you succeed. Also help others when you can. Teaching what you learn solidifies your own understanding. Build your portfolio and online presence. As you're learning, build your online presence. Create a simple portfolio website using free tools like GitHub Pages or Netlify. This doesn't need to be fancy, just clean and professional. Showcase your best 3 to 5 projects with descriptions of what you built and learned. Update your LinkedIn with your new skills and projects. Write about what you're learning. Start a blog or post on LinkedIn about your journey. Share tips and lessons. This reinforces your learning and makes you visible to employers. Contribute to open source projects on GitHub if you're in tech. Even small contributions count. This shows you can work with real code and collaborate. All of this builds credibility before you land your first job in your new field. Get feedback and keep improving. You can't improve what you don't measure. Actively seek feedback on your work. Post your projects in communities and ask for constructive criticism. Join code review sessions if learning programming. Find mentors further along the path. Many experienced people give feedback if you ask respectfully. Use free tools to test your skills. Websites like HackerRank and LeetCode have challenges that help measure progress in coding. For design, participate in daily challenges like Daily UI. Take practice tests related to your field. Review your old work every month and see improvement. This is incredibly motivating. Don't be defensive about criticism. Every piece of feedback is a chance to level up. The goal isn't perfection, it's continuous improvement. Start freelancing or contributing. Once you have solid skills, start getting real-world experience. You don't need to be an expert to start working. Take on small freelance gigs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Price yourself competitively at first to build reviews. Offer to help friends or local businesses for free or cheap. This gives you real projects and testimonials. Volunteer your skills for nonprofits. They need help and you need experience. For developers, contribute to open source. For writers, guest post on blogs. For designers, enter contests. Move from learning mode to doing mode. Real clients give real feedback and real deadlines, which accelerate your growth faster than courses. Plus, you might start making money while still learning. Never stop learning. Going from zero to pro isn't a destination, it's a journey. Technology changes, industries evolve, and there's always something new to learn. The best professionals never stop being students. Set aside time each week to learn something new, even after you land your dream job. Follow industry leaders, read articles, watch conference talks, take new courses. Stay curious and keep that beginner mindset. The skills you learn today might be outdated in 5 years, but your ability to learn quickly will always be valuable. Build a habit of continuous learning and you'll stay ahead. Free resources keep coming out, so take advantage of them. The internet has democratized education in an incredible way. Anyone with dedication and internet access can become professional in almost any field. You just have to commit to the process. You don't need money to level up, just the right plan and dedication. If this inspired you, hit like and subscribe for more practical ways to learn and earn online. And watch the next video to see the exact free courses that can kickstart your career today.